Start off with a 1-quart Ziploc bag. Forget the expensive bags and little Pelican cases. If you've got a little boo-boo, you need a little Band-Aid. But don't get the cheap ones, they'll fall off as soon as they get wet. Get the waterproof Tough Strips. If you've got a little bit bigger of a boo-boo, you need a little bit bigger Band-Aid. Same thing, waterproof Tough Strips. Now, if you have an actual injury, you're going to need something a little bigger. You're going to need some 4x4 dressings. How are you going to hold it on? You need some roller gauze. For more absorbency or padding, you're going to want to get some non-sterile 4x4 gauze. Into the bag it goes. Now, one thing about paramedics, they don't usually have to worry about disinfecting wounds because they're sending people straight to the hospital. However, for you and me, we probably want to get some spray, Neosporin, something like that, to stick in there to reduce the possibility of infection. Into the bag it goes. Cleanliness is next to godliness, especially when you're talking about other people's bodily fluids, so gloves are a good idea. Some of you may be saying, wait, what about a tourniquet? You've got to have a tourniquet. Well, here's how you make a tourniquet with this stuff. You add, what the paramedic recommended, a number 2 pencil. If you don't know how to do that, you probably need to take another first aid class. So believe it or not, there's your first aid kit.